dry and windy day in Paradise.
Thanks to all drivers. There's a situation developing at Ponderosa Elementary. There are 23 kids who are stranded. Is there anybody in the area that can pick them up? Is there anybody that can go and pick these kids up?
to the base, I can get him.
Class, it's just another brush fire, nothing new.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Mary.
Kevin.
Kids, this is our bus driver, Kevin.
I don't think you understand the urgency of our situation here.
Quietly, calmly, one single line. You know all of us are gonna be there? It's gonna take 10 minutes. Do you have any safety protocols on this bus?
Yep, you got that.
Great, yeah, that'll make all the difference.
At approximately 6:30 a.m. this morning, a fire entered the town of Paradise.
Where do you need to get to?
My son's up there with his grandma. It's too late. I'm too late as a father.
It's not too late.
Kevin, can you hear me? 963, do you read?